Right? All we have to do is spread the word to make this thing change. And in order for us to spread the word, we have to tell our friend with neighbor, educate them, tell
Yeah,
them what
it's
is
true.
happening, because some of them don't even know.
Yeah, true.
A
Because
lot of
Yeah,
persons
because some
misunderstand
of them are say,
what is
me hear one,
minimum.
me
Minimum
hear
wage
from
is
over Charming live last month. Me hear them I say, um, where market you will get money to do this and do that. Where and you get money to do things? Eh?
anybody ask that question is dumb. First,
How
because
when them a
the
get money to buy $3 million home?
taxes that the Jamaican people pay does not go to Andrew owners. It is
It
in
a
the
happen.
government purpose. And if Andrew announced the election tonight and he lost the election, it's the same money Marky G has to spend.
I go
What is the
use.
difference is that Marky G policies might be different from Andrew's policies.
And the policies.
Marky G would have to sit down and decide, say, all right, you are deciding you want to put 5% of the budget to education. I'm going to put 15. Or we're going to deal with that. We're going to cut away from here, which I think is not important, and put that up to 50. That's all we're going to do. Just spending the money around. That's all we're
Dino, the budget for
After tomorrow,
24
we know election are announced this a week, yeah.
All we have to do go out and introduce ourselves to the people. And the one that was sick home last election and did go to encourage them to
Dino,
come out and vote.
yeah.
the budget were from 24 to 25. It is shortfall, right?
Talk about 400 million.
Yeah. What the labor right Andrew unless where money there?
No, but I mean, the PNP had asked Nigel Clark, we're going to fill that gap from. He says a secret, him can't talk it because you know want to spoil the negotiation. But then after that, we realized what was the fall.
These labor rights are dumb.
What they did was to fast forward certain sale. Like for example, they fast forward certain sale of Jamaican assets in order to get that money. So for another 12 years, we won't be collecting that tax.
I think I heard about the highway where them are plan to sell. Or they sell it already?
They sell it already. Jamaican, the government only they sold it already. They only have 20% shares and thinking of selling the other 20% shares to get another 9 billion, which they short of.
So wonder if the labor right then know say the government has sell highway for fund the budget.
Yeah, but you know they must hear it, you know.
No, because they're so stupid. Then think the figure what the government come out with. You have that money in hand.
Not have all that money, not have it.
No, but them think so. No for them think so.
Yeah, but if they read it, how much
the budget is like a prediction, you know. It's like a prediction where
it's an estimate how much you think you're gonna spend for all the various ministries and different projects in the year for a financial year. But it's an estimate. But the estimate also show the shortfalls and they say how much you're going to expect to get from loan. You have been negotiating loans. How much you're going to get from how much you'll get from income tax, how much you'll get from road tax, how much you'll get from ticket, how much you'll get from that. It's all estimate is no guarantee you must get it. But it's an estimate you're expecting to get. We call that in budgeting, forecasting. We forecast how much money. We looking at previous record to present record, and you can forecast how much you expect to get.
Yeah. And you see, the problem where we have with labor, right? When you sit down and try to explain things to them, they get so ignorant and dark. And they come out with them false narrative and attack and expect people to run with it. So when the time they come on a PNP live, we want to know say this is an educational program. We educate them with facts. We're not spread no false narrative. There's no
JLP money and PNP money. It's the same money, one money.
Definitely. It's the government money. And them have to understand how the government go about the budget or go about getting the money. And ask a stupid question where Mark G gonna get it from.
When
they ask them question is stupid.
9 years ago, when the government promised all of them $18,000, the PNP asked the question, no, where you going to come from? They did not tell the country. What they did was impose high tax and also 2 times straight. In order to pay, because they had to live up to their commitment. Every public sector was asking, where the 18,000? So in order to pay, what they do is triple our taxes.
And even when they talk about the taxes, them come out say they not put no new tax. Right? Them jump with it and feel like it's a good thing because guess what the government do? The government low price of things here go up because anytime it go up, it collect more tax for the goods. Because if a thing sell for $100 and you collect, yeah,
it's a mind situation, and if the prime minister realize doing certain things you can hack on the mind of the individual.
Yeah.
No, tell them to compare last year budget to this year budget and see if the government announced that they're expecting an increase in the amount of taxes.
Yeah.
Where would they get increase in the increase of taxes? Although I say no new taxes, it means you're going to collect more taxes.
Everything.
Definitely. That's the thing where they don't understand.
Tax, every day tax go up. Every single day something tax.
Comrade, if you pay $7 for $100 bread, and the bread move go to $600, check how much $7 that you're gonna pay on it.
Well, if you have a motor vehicle and this new policy the government announced, they didn't say your car and so your fitness go for 1 year. When you got taxes, see if a 6,000 are they going to charge you for it. You're going to pay 6, you're going to pay 3 years of taxes one time. It's pre-sale, government is pre-selling the thing to get money for the budget.
Yeah, because he might try using it, I don't know, because he say him our shortfall, you know, so he might try to come with money.
So technically, you're telling nation something look good. Oh, you're gonna get your fitness is gonna last for 3 years, but you're gonna pay for 3 years taxes one time.
But guess what? Guess what the problem will come when Marky G win, and all of those money pay already to him, you know.
You have none to collect.
So Mark now go have none to collect because they already paid to him. Because like I said, 3 years in advance, examiner fee for new vehicle, 5 years in advance. So him get all of those money.
You collect if you spend it here.
Definitely, and people don't understand.
It's a fast forward tax. You're collecting 5 years revenue.
A thief and a trickster.
5 years times revenue.
In worse than a 3 card man.
Yeah.
Yeah. And people think a good thing he might do, you know. People think a good thing he might do. He might try it because he know where the problem is.
3 card man by far.
What market is saying, whatever amount of money you know you're collecting this year for tax should be spent on this year's tax. You can't use 5 years or 10 years time tax money because you're damaging the economy 5 to 10 years time.
That's not exactly what I do. Exactly what I do, you know. And the idiot them are not decks and a laugh because they think a good thing they might do. But they don't sit down and look through it. They don't sit down. This government just get up randomly and talk things to them. They don't have a plan.
It's just fast forward taxing. That's all they're doing. Collecting 5 years tax from them. Mr. Siaka did the same thing. The driver's license renewing every year. A little psychology they use is to increase the driver's license until they say it go by how much percentage, but you're going to last you for 10 years. So you collect 10 years worth of tax one time. So when you pay it one time now, you're not paying no more till 10 years time.
Yeah.
But it gives the government the revenue right away, 10 years worth of revenue right away.
So him collect money for years when not even come and spend it.
All right, and you ain't sure if you live in that 10 years. But them get it and spend it.
And you get the whole of your money already. Wow. You know, and the people ain't fool that jump at it. Selvin is in the box. Come on, Selvin. You can pull the mic and say what you have to say. All a bit, a little bit, you know. Just bring up more ideas and then you can share it with us.
You see, when we observe, because we follow most of on this program, I know. Ingram, everybody on this when we see from there, we're doing a wonderful job.
Good job.
I
appreciate that.
We're here to educate the people.
Educate the people. And I'm going to pull my gift, my thing. I'm going to work on it. I have a little bit of itch on it because I want to share like this to you guys that is in the box.
Yeah.
So just give me a little bit. I'm going to sort it out.
Yeah.
Give me a day or so because you're really educating persons, you know.
Yeah.
You're really
definitely
sharing ideas, you're really sharing information, and things like that. And I'm happy that I can able to share my name there in order to make our party highlight upon the good ideas and how they want to bring the country forward.
Definitely. Right? There's a lot I learned daily.
100%. You, I appreciate you, Dino, DJ Ross, who is here right now, you, Blair, Daniel, Dwight, here is in the box now. I really appreciate Auntie Fia in the comment as a moderator, Tika on the outside, Mama San, all of you guys, I appreciate that very much. That's my name, right? And it is
Yeah.
out there bringing out the work that the PNP already done and will be going to do, right? So I'm
Yeah.
asking you, please, just give me a little bit. I want to share my little points and gifts with you guys, but I'm
Yeah.
gonna sort it out, all right? Just
Yeah.
be with me. So feel free to share. Come on anytime when we log on and
Yeah.
share on the point and views so we can able to carry forth the work and what the PNP party is doing. And I'm asking you to go out, seek the people who want to enumerate before the time is up. It's gonna be up on the 31st of March. Spread the word. If you don't have the fear, ask your counselor, ask the caretaker, call them up, do your work. When now want the money like when they must say $10,000 for carrying 5 persons like the labor right them. That's what I heard, allegedly. Because I'm hearing that if they're carrying 5 persons, then get $10,000. See, it's same taxpayers' money with them I used to buy with out. So when you're carrying the people know it is a must you have to carry them back of vote. With what, the $10,000? Come on, we have to
You
show
wanna
the
call
people.
them up, we can't get free talk to him. Me and I box and PNP group up and I sit what's that with the phone live with so
All
you
right.
wanna come?
Oh, you're not a PNP
Someone put
service
it over.
there?
Oh, reply to. Yeah,
You wanna share with us?
yeah man.
Come on,
Yeah, me
open
just
your
said all the same program, me like what I go on because some things I talk for the people, you live right, them a talk some word for fart when me not hear. When me not see I go on.
okay.
Yeah. I me like what me I hear, you know?
I appreciate it. And you'll be coming out to vote, you and your family, don't it,
Yeah
for
man, that
PNP?
way I say man. That work
Yes.
you know. That work
Huh?
come on. That work come on.
Oh, nice. And go
Come
out.
on.
Even if you not see your counselor come on board or touching at the place, you do your footwork them. So when they come,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
if you say to you and your counselor, if there is a problem, try and solve it. Don't wait for you to carry the counselor to them and you never touch base with them. It can be an insult, it can be an infliction, and all these things. So go out, do your foot ground, do your walking, talk to your people, them,
Smart.
walk in your community, get to the people, them,
Right.
reach
Salute
out to
there with
them, sign up
canvas.
if they are on the list, join up with them if them having a problem, call up the people them so they can be able to
One
solve
thing me
it.
know still, you know.
You
We go and
understand?
win back some of them young ones we ain't lose last
Yes, that's
election.
why me
We
I tell
go
us
win
to
them
go
back.
out to them, reach out to
Yeah,
them.
man.
Don't
We
wait
gotta
till
win
the
back
day
some of
when the
them young
counselor
ones.
gonna do the footwork.
Yeah.
Go on out to them now. Jot down your information, what problem you're having, what the growth, what them have complain about. So when you don't understand, you have a book. So when you go your other yard, you know, say you want and talk to them because this is what is
No, me
happening.
a teach.
Go out and
No,
do
say,
your
no, that's we
work.
a teach them long time. So we no, them the people never giving up. Yeah,
We
say,
don't, we don't want to bring out certain information out here because this platform is wide. So we don't really
yeah.
want to bring out this information. Join with the group and share with one another and see if in your WhatsApp group and thing what you can do, the strategy, the technique, you know how you can do your things. I really want to a little, what do you call it? A little WhatsApp group, but you know, times goes by, we're gonna do that because we
Yeah, man,
need to
last
take up.
election they run close to it, but me no want that happen again. They
No,
run close to it. When Lisa win by 32 votes, you know, but we know that can't happen again to Kenneth,
you
you know.
know, our Lisa division
No,
in,
man.
right?
Yeah, man.
Selvin near them,
Yeah.
and they said, I'm sure this time around, they said they have the groundwork and ensure that
No
seat.
one. How I won?
Yeah.
Beat them
Eh?
before we go on work, man. And we struggle and
Yeah,
struggle
say,
like the
man.
things.
Yeah,
Come
man.
on, we are go,
What is
yeah, man.
reverse psychology, them are use, man. Reverse psychology.
Thank you,
We not
Dubai.
lose that. If
No,
we never
man.
lose that 1980, we not lose it again.
No, sir. We lose by 32, but we're not going to lose it this time. We'll beat them this big time now. People around us so final. They see it, man.
And the tricks. Eh? You
And
cannot
I saw
collect
young
10,
people.
you
I saw
cannot
young
collect
people
10,
don't
10,
lose by
work,
with
10
them.
year worth of revenue tax
Don't look
from
at young
people.
people and so then give away. I buy them by around by all of them.
It's not even like a land where you pay your 10 year worth of land because you want your inheritance today.
Yeah.
10 year worth of to drive motor vehicle.
Yeah,
Eh?
man.
Yeah. Look upon that now, you them build one house and then the motel say land for you. And you be a land of the government after them build on your land.
Eh. I'm land of the government. That are the thing we land with them.
And comrade, you see, if the comrade they never come out come and talk about it, people who don't know so much, you know.
Yeah, and that me I say some plenty of them not understand all them there, you know.
No, they never know.
Spread the word.
They never know.
We have to
A
spread
couple
it.
little boy, some of them little young boy, couple of them get couple black and some cement and sitting and not like one in a private in a parish council.
That's a fake guard.
Right now,
Try to make it look like say them account help and everybody.
Right now, me hear say Brains and Pinky over here give a fish pot wire. Yeah. But them a go have a dark day.
Yeah.
Them a go have a dark day. They over here because they know them back against the wall, eh?
All when them do the 28 bank account that can help them.
They a go have a dark day. And we need a comrade to come out, come vote.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the comrade vote,
we can't lose. From we come vote, we cannot lose.
Yeah, from comrade come out, come vote, we can't lose. We can't lose.
Comrade big on them all the way.
Yeah, man, every comrade tries to come out this election. This is a comrade election, and every comrade decides that they might vote this time.
So true.
Definitely.
All who never voted last election are come out this year. All who never voted last election because in my constituency, a lot of PNP never vote. But now everybody is on board. Everybody from the local election call, we're ready in our West Central, St. James. Ready.
Because we're going to win in a St. James, we're going to win all of the council seats, don't we?
No, we only win 6 and the Labour win 11.
Oh.
But in the West Central, in my constituency,
when Central James look like he's going back to the
on CLM division and Granville.
when Central St. James look like he's going back to the PNP.
No man, we're going to win him, man, because right now, when we go up on the walk, we target at daytime every day. We want at least 200, and every time we go up on the walk, we get a margin we want. And right now, we pass the amount. Because we go to the people in the yard, them and tell we all of them problems. And we are write it down, and we are put it on we something, but we want to put it on the CD to play. This make everybody hear what they want. Road, light and water, and land tank, that's how them are ball for right now. So we have everything for them, all the plans. So Marlene can't go to the yard again and beg, and they tell what Marlene can promise them, and they fulfill all now. So we are joking with the rod of correction.
Makes sense.
And in our stronghold, we are tearing down. In our stronghold, in our out of catching all and spring guard. That's how she kind of strong. So right now, with the index actually every day, they hear what they want and they tell you they
people in the right way.
So Dr. Andre has them on the right track right now.
Explain out and social media so much. But you go in and explain and let them know.
And they don't want to see Marlene now, you know. They don't want to see him.
But not in the JLP no one see her neither.
You understand me? So begging way back through in the runoff for they gone.
But she never win.
Sit down. She never win, but I begging way through.
She get 25 votes. She get 25 votes at 250 at vote.
That is it. A Bruce polling when Cam come a West Central, you know, because when Roger Clark beating stick down a Westmoreland, you know. Roger Clark give 2 lick out a big spoon before he did.
That lady is a disaster in our parliament, you know. If you look
disaster
with bro God, our constitution mash up a Jamaica. That lady dangerous.
She just a fight big move from the monarchy and 5 move from the British. The final court of appeal, just a 5 move from the monarchy alone. That's all.
Yeah,
so you come down a Saturday gone in my warming shop on walk. I will go out there on the road like a matla.
I want them check Warmington seat. I want them wipe him.
It's a seat to watch the next election.
All the Prime Minister see threatened, you know.
They say that they have no safe seat right now. They have to just fight back.
If man like warming and one them take free seat.
They saw me here now. Maybe election might announce Sunday. And think maybe might announce this Sunday or the next week Sunday, but we are looking funny because he get about to fly now because EOJ ready now after March 31st.
Yeah, but him still not put all in camp. He have a lot of problems in camp. He not put all in candidate together as yet. Still having a lot of internal problems.
They must select.
But
They do the selection, but they still having internal problems.
But Dino, don't trust that man, you know. Cause remember me that man talk few days in the last election say yeah, some of them are campaign boy election, boy matter, boy economy. And not 27 days after I call the election. Till me did left go see and when me come back and my wife tell me say election call me say not top 10 line man, nothing can go so. She said yes.
Yeah, that's it.
So don't
Every
trust
time
him.
they ask about election, he don't have no election plan in mind.
None at all.
Now, he ready.
But
he call you know.
he want to call it 12 o'clock in the night, 2 o'clock in the morning. Anytime you want to call it.
Now, I'm not going to do it until you see the results of another poll. No, do it.
And not only that, Dino, him have to wait 2 weeks for it to be vetted after them close off the registration.
Right.
So they have to vet and verify that all the persons who have been registered are actually the right persons and where they're from. So I won't jump and call it right now. So give him another month. Give him another month before you actually call it.
Me not see before July. I can't see before July.
Well, me I look funny. 2 months me I look on. I look on June and May. I look on June, May. Then 2 months me I look on it. Because if you call it tonight, we're ready. If you call it tomorrow, we're ready.
If I never EOJ my wait pan, you don't call it already because
They announced already.
yeah, who know what
They
the
never-
Cuban thing.
Remember, so only we alone when they look about the March 31st, like people enumerate. No mistake, I put out for them ads now.
Yeah.
Say deadline on March 31st.
March 31st, because it's the closing of the enumeration. The electoral
Yeah. The election, man. Wait.
From me see them over here give a thing me know say then them
Now we have
What them I do now, EOJ, the train workers now, you know, because my next door neighbor, she go out training every other day.
Yeah,
Go out
them-
training every other day.
them are
a
doing
training
Portland
people
too.
left alone. So right now, after they done train them a batcha, election ready.
Them are that do it a Portland too.
You understand me? So same time you see EOJ done train now.
The training that is going on is the verification. Because them have
Right.
them can call us in. The list has to be ready. The list already yet. All of them freshly enumerated have to come on the new list, you know.
To May 31st.
Unless the Prime Minister decide to call it on the old list.
You know, call upon the old list, man.
Okay.
They wait till May list come out. 31st of May.
Not saying now we call upon the old list, you know. Yeah, me tell you say not trust that man there. But we got who we are deal with.
Let's see August then.
Is a dangerous somebody, you know. Just notice, you know, for me notice I'm not good. When they have one forum where they talk about the next bill with the college youth, I talk about some class night where they not like. And or get up and angle the local school youth. One that day, I not trust that man.
And you know that youth is a doctor, Dr. Thomas. Mess up yourself, young Dr. Thomas.
Yeah.
That said school youth is a doctor today.
Yeah, from that day I don't trust that man. How me ain't talk to the school youth.
Yeah, man.
He's a dangerous brother.
Yeah, pan the town hall meeting.
Yeah.
Never
Dangerous
dressing
man.
good.
First year up. You understand?
Him too ignorant to be a prime minister. Him too ignorant. And number
That's
one,
it. Mark
this
it
man
green
a
only more.
war
Mark it
man.
green attack.
Pluton when they say a war man and all of them man there. Me never hear them on platform or go on ignorant like how me hear this Prime Minister. Even when him a present something where we're supposed to benefit the country. Ignorant towards it.
It was too dark and illiterate.
Just listen in budget presentation. For most of the things them out talk. Just listen the tone or you drop it.
In a budget presentation, when do a most gimmicks in come parliament,
Yes, and
we
the
go
tone.
all the way back in that 19 how long, you know, what's the yaga do?
Yes.
From what you do and what have you.
And the tone when talk on the tone when talk on just listen to the tone them when talk on. He's a bad man. In bad.
Yeah, I'm Papi Show.
Yeah.
My minister of Probox.
All them when I don't follow them when them pro box argument. Because I like the finance minister there. No sense. So I came follow them. Because when Diane Jackson I try to make she clarify what she really has, so she still a take a trap.
You know, Sasa there's a favor Williams though.
Yeah.
They no send damage from Minister of Education, so then who's a come making damage in character?
Yeah. She no sense from what she has.
And Jamaica not see that?
Tomorrow.
Then just put her out now, just damage herself.
She will make our final contribution tomorrow, so I guess she'll clear up the Probox argument.
She better not come to Probox tomorrow.
You better clear it up. You can't imagine you do your what a good service and take one day and spoil it. One day and spoil it in a football argument. About $2,000.
Hi, Ferdinand, what are you doing? You're here. You're in the box.
Yeah, it's just automatically came in the box. I'm at work.
Oh, you're at work. All right.
Yeah.
You want nothing to say?
Not at this present moment.
You decided to go out and vote on that day?
No.
Why?
No.
Are you
No.
Are you a supporter of which party tonight? Or that's your
Well, I born come to my grandparents are Labour, right? So I go with Labour, right? But right now, me in the same catching here, but me not really think me have vote. I say.
Okay. So who's the MP?
In the same catching here?
Must be a reason why you want you we cannot go vote and think what happened up there in St. Catherine.
Hold on a little bit.
We cannot go vote.
The MP, I don't remember if it's Wheatley. Wheatley is the councillor.
Weekly MP.
Wheatley.
Because Weekly is a member of parliament, yeah.
So like how you voted already and you're being disappointed with this government. Is do a change?
No, sir. No,
When
no
you
better.
why? When you listen to Mark Golding compare the budget with Mark Golding and Andrew, you know,
Number one Mark Golding and a Jamaican man. A number one.
Oh, you know, Jamaican man.
Mark Golding a all English man.
To the
Mark
honor
Golding is an English man.
To the honor everything I
Go
really.
back in the comment, my darling. Let we talk about it. Because I don't understand why you Jamaicans say Mark Golding is not a Jamaican. Mark Golding is a Jamaican birth paper. It just automatically gain.
Exactly, get him out of the box long time.
No, me not really get him out of the box. He jump.
God, man.
Oh, jump.
But you see, comrade, we don't ask any Jamaican this. Me not say a Labour writer or PNP.
Big up.
If your father born in England, why would you not take a British citizenship where you inherited from your father? Why you want to do it?
And then you take it, you automatically got it.
Automatically come to you.
But me I say, these people are so stupid. And me can't understand how Jamaican. What make we start behave like this and
he should have not, Mark Golding should have not. I did. I did,
Yeah.
Uncle Auntie. Um, why person been saying that? Because I don't understand.
But give credit to where credit due, you know. On that issue, I've never heard Andrew Holness come out and say anything about it, you know. He is not one of those around in the narrative, say, man, a Jamaican, you know.
And you know,
Yeah, but
hold on.
What's my goal in Ghana, Jamaica, right?
Hold on, man. Hold
Right,
on.
you know, hospital.
Hold on. With due respect, you know, Andrew Holness is the first person come out with that. Interview on TVJ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's where it started, you know.
him and the first one started, yeah.
The first one started. Understand? Him with that interview on RJR. And that is where it all started. From Andrew Holness.
So hold on. Remember, Jamaica was ruling underneath the British, right? And the country was doing well. We could have able to travel. Yeah, man. But me I said before they gained independence, right? Jamaica was in a better place, right? So make it make sense now. So if we have a prime minister to be and in background are English, that means that that's something good. That means that we're gonna go back to the days when things are going nice again. Because we have the qualities, yes. Yo, if you listen to Mark Golding's talk compared to Andrew Holness, yes, when Andrew Holness talk, me not biased, because I'm a man with open mind. The man just not convinced. You know, when somebody not show no much remorse, it just, he might talk, but you're not really, you can't see the light them and you can't feel, you know, connect.
He might talk all my body up.
Yeah, and when he sees the people are touching can, if you remember the interview up at UE or one of them, one of the students said, sorry, you need to apologize because the way you answer.
He can get irritable easily.
You see, Andrew only stay. I'm glad that the college student them can identify that. He said, sorry, we want to behave in a parliament.
Thank you, National.
And you are the leader, you are the head of the house, or the leader, a representative, and you are behave so. They say sweet when a young man said that and put him on the spot. And the man get ignorant and I say, oh, you have say, oh, that man, you know, this man, I really that man, I only do make a lead them. I really that man, I lead the nation.
Every day, me remember it.
You taking them out for
Every day, me remember it.
Yes, you know what me I talk about, right? That same little when man fly green them and they want them to sit down there.
Yeah.
And the youth them are deal with them professionally.
That young man is a doctor today.
Okay. You know what me I say?
He's a doctor.
Andrew is a dictator. He is a dictator. He like to dictate. And you see when time things don't go for him way, he start get miserable and arrogant.
Yeah.
Right? And furthermore, we can't trust one man we can't declare for him declarational now. We can't trust your brother because why most of the members them can do the right thing by sending their declaration and you as the leader at the head of the house. And now I try to sugarcoat that and win one next election like if we forget about that. Like if man basically I say, yo, no, forget about that man and move on. No. Because you know why? If it was on the other side, he would have dig it down to the bone and expose the other side say how corrupt they are. But you don't want nobody to talk about him corruption. And then you ever write them just all good when they say them are dying, just back him. And if Andrew get up a man and make one decision and run with it.
Yeah, but me I tell you something, you know, if it was on the other side, they'd come out and say, nah, sit in parliament with them, you know.
Of course. If it was the other side and we in that position, then we wouldn't put pressure. I don't lie, Mark Golding are telling you, and who not see it blind, you know. A gimmicks, the man them are gimmicks Jamaican you know, right now, you know. In a parliament, a gimmicks are talk about you're not the father and this and that. Them they are joke talk. Comparing to serious issue we are going in our country, you can talk about you're not the father and this and you're come on now, man. Mark Golding outline serious.
National.
Yo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Craig.
Yes, I am here and I just add to the live and my ear, you know.
And especially you nationally you have vent. The vent where you have vent, you have a point. And make you understand, make you hear the earth in your voice. But listen, let's go on one topic. And I need for you to understand. During my youth days coming up, growing and hearing about this politics thing, I always hear them say the Labour Right Party are the most aggressive and evil and non-conscience party, right? But before Andrew Oles go in a parliament, I myself did so glad to make him go in an office because me I say him more younger and him have more understanding about suffering and him grow in our generation. So him have more understanding about certain things. So when him go in, he would have change it and make things better for everybody. But to my knowledge, it's the worst of the worst I ever seen in my whole entire life growing up. Because I go as far as see the elderly, which is, most elderly vote because of diarrhea. And the common diarrhea hate him so much. So if we, as a generation, really give this man one more term in this country, you're going to saw people committing a lot of suicide.
Yeah, people even say that we're going to be like 80. Is even
Well
if
said,
we're
my
not
brother,
going to
well
say,
said.
then continue to be like 80. Based on the direction of this man, how he deal with things.
And look at it
You
this
understand? It doesn't sit well with Jamaicans. People are saying, yes, he might do this and infrastructure and development and this and that, but
What that way supposed to do?
people say they must suffer. And then now
That's
we need
what he's
prosperity.
supposed to do. We're talking about what
even
he
go as
not
far and say,
doing.
me not support criminal, Me can't tell you this. Me not support. Me not support criminals, but me go be fair. I do not support no criminal.
It's a shame and disgrace.
Me feel like we
with
don't want a better
country.
Jamaica. But
True.
you see, oh, we did a deal with it. And this, you may tell us if some people follow this politics thing, they would understand. Remember when Porsche did just win 2011 and the police them did a move away, and he was the first one jump out and Jones and say, see, this is what we're talking about. That's not how you go about crime. But Andrew only say you come now and tell Jamaican citizens say a man may stand up at the wrong place at the wrong time. And he may go see Maker. Who does that? Who talk like that? So
which is the Prime Minister himself thought that out of mouth.
Oh, you mean? The man say it's either you lucky
Yeah,
to see a
him
judge
say,
or see a
he said
Maker.
either if he judge or your maker. That's what he said.
Yeah, he said that
Yes,
you
he
see
said.
judge. Or you see a Maker.
Either
Who,
if he
which
judge
which
or your
breed
maker.
that talk like that? A badness, a straight up.
Yeah.
That you know, that's why the nation, that's why we have a problem with human rights, because no, we are
That is
telling the
it.
Prime Minister and say that and get away with it.
And get away with it.
Yeah, because
No.
I remember where Renato Adam did say, in have M16 rifle and run from bad man, and then they go down bad with him with it. And
Okay.
where Andrew always said,
True.
worse than
And
that.
which administration was in power? PNP. You sure so we
Yeah.
not correct. We get him out.
Definitely.
We
Yeah.
get him out because we
True,
believe in
true.
the people.
You
We
know,
believe in this rights of the citizens of Jamaica.
Come to think
Regardless.
of it, you see, if Adams is still there
True.
around the police thing right now, Anton Commissioner, down to themselves as politicians, they would have get out.
I mean,
Yeah.
So,
True.
the reason why they never really give him such a power, because they know the direction where he would have turned to. Because he would have showed them up. So because of that, they know the type of person who will be, and them see him not take side.
brother,
So
True.
we have
clean
so
up the
many
whole entire
we have
place.
so many discomfort and hurt about this government. Look here. We see me see both on both sides. Me see PG, me see Bruce come, me see Portia come, and who they did before. And everybody just go through the same regime and respect the policies in place. And if them even look for increase and take a look, if them get 6 million, they will take another 1 million from it. Then just for an increase. I first